Hi everybody, welcome to SG Health Tips. Disclaimer, read the description before use. Boost your immune system just by one juice. 1. Ginger. Ginger is antibacterial, so it helps support the immune system. Upping your intake of antioxidant-rich foods and beverages like ginger shots may combat inflammation and keep your immune system healthy. Many studies shows that ginger can enhance immune response. Ginger is also a natural blood thinner and contains a phenolic anti-inflammatory compound called gingerol that may be responsible for relaxing blood vessels. 2. Carrot. Carrot are an antioxidant superstar, helping to provide a super protective, antioxidant boost in this juice. Carrot is a great source of vitamins A, C, D, E, K, B1 and B6 and minerals biotin, potassium, calcium, magnesium and phosphorus. Mainly vitamin C is helpful to boost the immune system. Carrot contains it. 3. Beetroot. Beetroots are a great source of fiber, folate, vitamin B9, manganese, potassium, iron, and vitamin C. Beetroot juice has a good source of vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant that helps boost your immune system and protect cells from damaging free radicals. Beetroot has more vitamin C. It helps you to boost your immune system. 4. Celery. Celery juice enhances your entire body's immune system. Your immune system is constantly working to kill off viruses and bacteria, and it needs the support of specific mineral salts to do all it can for you. Certain cells in your immune system find enormous support from the mineral salts in celery. Celery helps fight infections because celery has antimicrobial properties, which boost the immune system. 5. Kale. Kale contain high levels of vitamin C, which not only packs a powerful antioxidant punch, it helps fight off infection and regenerate other antioxidants in the body, including vitamin E. They also contain folate, another immune booster. Kale is rich in beta-carotene, vitamin A powerful antioxidant that may help boost the immune system. 6. Dandelion. Dandelion has been shown to restore immune function in immune-suppressed mice, enhancing cell-mediated immunity, humoral immunity and nonspecific immunity. It has been shown that this may be partly due to its ability to restore nitric oxide production and increase the secretion of a compound called tumor necrosis factor. Dandelion can help to fight inflammation, boost immune system. 7. Cucumber. Cucumber contains vitamins A, B, C, K, manganese, copper, and potassium that play an important role in maintaining a healthy immune system. Cucumbers may have anti-inflammatory benefits. Inflammation is a function of the immune system. 8. Apple. Apples contain antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds that may help regulate immune responses. Apple is an all-round supporter of health. 9. Garlic. Garlic can boost immune function. Garlic contains compounds that help the immune system fight germs. Whole garlic contains a compound called allicin. When garlic is crushed or chewed, this compound turns into allicin with AC, the main active ingredient in garlic. Garlic also boosts the immune function. Boost immune system juice remedy. Yield, 1 glass. Prepare time, 10 minutes. Ingredients. 1 small beetroot. 8 celery stalks. 4 large kale leaves. Half a cucumber. 1 medium apple. 1 medium carrot. Small bunch of dandelion greens. 1 to 2 centimeters cubed of ginger. Small clove of garlic, optional. Small handful of parsley, optional. Instructions. Chop the veggies into the appropriate size for your juicer funnel. Chop the ginger into tiny pieces and be sure to feed it through at the same time as the harder veggies like celery, beets or carrot. Feed everything through juicer and compost the pulp. This is best enjoyed right away, although it will keep in the fridge, in a sealed jar for 24 hours. Thank you for watching my video. If my video is useful, like and comment. Subscribe for more videos.